first of all we just go to the our select component mode, and we just check that what is the component select or not, or whether the component LED package are showing and having allocated or not. So this is our second video, and the first part of the video we can upload it previously. We see it, you can see it by you go to the my description. I give the link in the description, so check it. And this is our schematic capture where we are using the circuit diagram, and this is our PCB layouts, and we can here check the component, and after that we first of all we just go to the 2D graphics board, and which just select the board edge here, and after that clicking the board edge we just drag the board in the circuit in the PC layout. So just select the yellow color board, so a yellow color border is showing, and then press M for maximizing the areas. And in order to maximize the board, just press plus symbol, and in order to maximize the board and its nearer area, so just press the maximization. So I just select the areas and press OK. So I just maximize it in order to maximize the position or maximize the board area. Here we can, if I place it the component here, we just it can move out the area. So I just marking the area, marking the size of the area. This is 20 mm, and I can marking the area, marking the length of the board. So I just mark that it may be 20 mm also. So I just in order to, I just to maximize the board area, and for that because where we can allocate the all on the components to here, and after that to just increase the board here, and we make sure that the length of the this cannot be changed further. So in order to again I didn't know the length and breadth of the board, I just again delete it, and again we just see the length of the board here. So before that too, we just select all to the our bottom cooper. So I just drag and drop the component here, and again I place the component here to I think this is 1N4007 diode. So after that we place one by one here, and I just place the diode 2 here in order to drag the component. So I just click on drag object, and in order to rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise, we just use this keyboard key plus or minus key. So in order clockwise we just press plus button, and in the anti-clockwise we just use the minus button, and in order to maximize it we just maximize it, and in order to set the length I just set the length as 45 mm, and it is a breadth, and it is the length, that is 32.5. So in order to after that we just select all to the bottom cooper here, and I just delete all object here, and I just put here that the component of the I just delete all because I place all the component at a time. So I just delete all the component here and delete all, and then we just go to the our select mode. So I just select all and select and change all to the our bottom cup here. So I just change. This can be container component side. Don't change this, and again after that we just again change into the our bottom cooper. By default it can be saved with our bottom cooper, and after that we just go to the set as all, and after that we just set as the bottom cooper here, and after that again press here and change as the bottom cooper, and after that we just change as the bottom cooper. So after press convert it into all the bottom cooper. So we just go to the component mode, and then we just go to the tool, and then go to the auto placer. The auto placer is a tool due to which we can select all the component and place the place at a time in our board. So after that pressing the component are showing here, and the component are placing here, and again after this we just go to the tool in order to we just change the position of the component after and for adjustment, and I just move here and there to in order to set the change the location of the component, but I really don't want that because the Proteus which we are showing the location, I really agree for that. And one more thing is that I just know you that how can change the component location. So I just put for that, and this is I just change the location. Again I just go to the our tool, and sorry, I have to go to technology, and give to this set layer pairs. So again we go to the technology and set the layer pair. So I just go to the technology and set as a layer pair. So there are different types of tools. So I again set layer pairs, and here we can change all into the bottom cooper. So I just press here and convert it into the bottom cooper here, and I just press here and press bottom cooper. I just press here and place bottom cooper. I change all 1 to 14 as bottom cooper, and I think for this I just change and convert it into bottom cooper. So I just change it, and after we changing into all the bottom cooper, I just press OK for that, and I just after we press OK, I just again go to the technology and select as design rule manager. Design rule manager which having go to the net classes, having two net classes, that is signal and power. In order to create a power, we just create a new and then write power, then press OK, and here two horizontal and vertical change into the bottom cooper. I just change to horizontal into bottom cooper. By default vertical convert into bottom cooper, and then go to the signal, and after that we just select into the bottom cooper and change it all into the bottom cooper also. So after that we just press OK. After press OK for that, and after that we just go to the tool and set the auto placer, auto rotator. So auto rotator is a tool where we can set the line as automatically, so it can automatically see the line and set the line in the circuit board. And after that we say, after selecting the slide, we just go to the 3D visual mode, where we can see the component here, and we just see the what is the changes are occur, and this is our circuit roadmap, and this is our circuit line, and this is our component, how the after completion the circuit board will look like. So this is 7805, this is our connecting circuit, and for in this is our diode, and one more thing is this is a capacitor, and for that we just having the view, and this is our the pin where we can connect in the circuit line, and our further is that we use different tools to use, and this is our holes where we can insert the pin for and after soldering, and and this is the our and this is our height of the circuit, and for that we just go and press the output for printing, press output and then print layout. So after that we just print it, and we just press OK for that, and after that we just select only top cooper and bottom cooper. So I just select the board edge here, so I can remove top silk and bottom silk, and press OK for that, and after that the component print here, and we just select my destination folder where we can save it, and I just save in my desktop. So I just named as name, we can give this for it, and I just give as it to 32 5V DC. So for that we just press save, and after that we just go and see that what is the changes occur. So I just see that the 232 5V DC is showing here, and I just see what is the changes occur here, and for that here you can see that the length and breadth are showing, and we can maximize. After maximize we can see that the component pin and the line are showing here. For that we can change it. So we just press here, and we can see the side, and this is again we can go to output and print out. So now we can see that if you adding top cooper, bottom cooper, top silk and bottom silk, and also border, so what is the result occur. So I just press OK, and I just named as maybe 01. So after saving I just see here and refresh it, and I just see that, and here we can see that the our all component symbol, component name, and pin and pin lining and the supply, all things are showing here. Here we can see that the all description of a circuit board. Here here all things are present here. So here we can see the symbol name and component size, pin name, pin style, etc. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.